Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. I know, long time no see. I'm sorry for being absent. Honestly, I've just been very stressed out, and along with the stressed outness came these feelings of unmotivation, not being inspired at all, and then I was having like hormonal changes along with the stress, so that has caused me to break out a lot. I know on camera it doesn't look that bad, but in person I can't even look at myself. I also, like, I don't know, I've just been feeling like so stressed, and along with the stress came all these like insecurities. I don't know what happened. Mercury was retrograde in my first house. I know Mercury went direct already, but I'm still feeling them effects. Like, I'm not feeling very confident about my image at the moment. My skin, the way my hair looks, like I feel like crap. And I'm not saying this fishing for compliments or anything. I guess I just want somebody to listen to me. Not even listen to me, like, I mean, I guess listen, but don't respond. Like, I don't want anybody to try and make me feel better. I'm just venting. And on top of all that, I had like a virus on my skin that I'm not even gonna get into. But anyways, I know that that's not why y'all are here. I just felt like, I guess I needed to clear the air a little bit, because I felt bad. Like, I've just been MIA on YouTube and all my other social medias. But anyways, today we're going to talk about something super exciting. So lately I've been on the hunt for hair products that are affordable but give you really great results, and today I decided to test out the brand Eva Nyc. I have two products from them today that I've never used before. I've never used this brand, so that makes it even more exciting. We're going to be testing out two products. One of them is a hair mask and the other one is like a curl definer. So for the hair mask, oh my gosh, I saw so many amazing reviews on this hair mask. I was like, I need it, like, duh. So this is the therapy session hair mask with plant protein and argan oil. It's supposed to deeply condition, hydrate, and smooth hair, and it's for all hair types. It deeply conditions, repairs, and strengthens dry and damaged hair, which is my hair. And they say you could use it weekly or as an everyday conditioner. I don't wash my hair every day. I don't have straight hair. So this is what we're gonna be applying first. My shirt is all wet. And then after we apply that, we're gonna be using the Gotta Balance Curl Defining Cream. And this is supposed to define curls, tame frizz, and moisturize. This is aloe leaf cactus flower. It's cruelty free, GMO free, 100% vegan. No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates. Oh, and you do get 8.5 ounces. I forgot to mention that the mask is 16.9 ounces, so this is huge. This has a lot and it's heavy. So for the curl defining cream, it says I deliver curl sculpting I deliver curl sculpting definition and smoothing hydration to create bouncy touchable curls. Let unpredictable frizzy curls know you've got a balance to explore a long-term relationship with healthy, consistent curl patterns. Use me on damp hair prior to air drying or diffusing. Apply a small amount to plump and emulsify. Work product through damp hair and scrunch to enhance natural curl pattern. Hair flip for good measure. So both of these are fairly affordable. I got them at Ulta, but I know that the mask is also available at Target. This I wasn't able to find at Target. So now what I'm going to do is apply the mask and brush out my hair to make sure that the mask is evenly distributed throughout the hair. I know you guys are like, girl, this is like, if you watch all my other hair videos, this is a different brush from what I usually use. This is the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Detangler in the larger size. If you watched my other videos, you know that I always use the Tangle Teezer thick and curly, but this is falling apart. Literally, it's busted open, and it has been for a while. So I decided to get a new brush, this one. I honestly don't know, I know this video is not about this brush, but I want to talk about it real quick. I honestly don't know which one I would recommend because I like them both. This one, I guess the differences would be, obviously you get a paddle, and the bristles are a lot thinner, but they are like the same length as the bristles in this one. What I like about this one, I've noticed that I get less breakage. I don't know why, maybe because the bristles are thinner, I don't know, but I did notice less breakage. I do, however, feel weird having a paddle. I know that's like weird because a paddle should make it easier and much more comfortable to brush out your hair, but I guess I was just used to using this for years. It's so easy to just go like this. But maybe that's why I get a little bit more breakage with this one, because since I have to hold it like this, I hold it tight, so that puts pressure on the hair. And when you're holding this like by the paddle, you don't put that much pressure on your hair, so less breakage. I don't know, that's just my experience so far, but so far I really like this. But again, I still like this one a lot. This smells like dessert, like a cupcake that you can't eat though. I don't know. I don't have a mirror here, so I have to look at myself in the camera to see what I'm doing. I cannot stand to look at myself. You know what song is in my head right now? Hazard to Myself by Pink. Somebody come collect my ass. Now that I'm looking like an alien, I'm gonna shower so that I can let this sit in my hair, and after I get out, we'll be applying the curl cream together. Okay, so sorry for the music in the background. That's my neighbors. There's really nothing I can do about that. But update on the hair mask. My hair was so unbelievably soft. I could not believe it. I could not. So right now, I did leave some of it on, but I rinsed most of it out. And I applied my leave-in conditioner. I usually use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. I love it so much. So yeah, I've got that on. And now what we're gonna do is apply the Eva NYC curl cream. Alright, so first impressions, it smells so freaking good. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like fruity and citrusy at the same time. And it's very lightweight. So there you have it, folks. I think my curls are looking nice, but you know, the true test will be when my hair is dry. I think my only complaint so far is that the cream is so light, sometimes I feel like I'm not putting enough on. But I'm gonna let my hair air dry for a couple of hours. I'm gonna diffuse off camera and I'll be back to show you guys my dry hair. Please excuse my face, you guys, please. I don't know what's happening. So I would say my hair right now is about 90% dry. I diffused it, but you know, I'm lazy, so I never really get to 100 if we're being honest. I think my curls look really nice, very defined. I would say the only thing I'm not really liking is I feel like my roots are a little frizzy. But that's something I can excuse. And I don't really like the way my bangs look. But that honestly is probably just because my hair is damaged. But I actually really like how my hair is looking right now. The curls just look so tight and I love that. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow, because I prefer my day 2 hair over my day 1 hair. It just looks so much better. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so please excuse my gross face. It is the next day. I did try to separate my curls as much as I could, but honestly, I'm in a rush right now. So yeah, this is how my curls came out. They look really defined in my opinion. They're really soft. I gotta keep using the curl cream to know if it's gonna be like a favorite or like a holy grail. But for right now, first impressions, amazing. The mask, also amazing. I really enjoyed using it. So yeah, that is it for this little Eva NYC first impressions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time.